That's it. Let's go. We are coming down from the mountain now. 3 hours in front of us. We don't know. We are tired. Ahmed, we are tired, yeah?
Yeah.
Yes, he said. That's my son. We are tired. We're moving.
Yeah.
Keep on going. And see what is in front of us. You have to bring your kids with you. Always. And there's a big lake next to the food bus stand in Yorkshire outlet. Wow. Very big lake. But anyway, we keep on going. Down and down and down. Pakistani peoples and another people should enjoy this thing. Money is not everything. If money was everything, people can buy their life from it. I mean, buy proper life. But proper life comes from the heart and soul. And these things, nature reserves are our souls and heart attached with it. That's all I'm gonna say, because people think we don't know nothing. Everywhere think about some stupid thing, Facebook, which I hate. Enjoy what you see and don't enjoy what you speculate. And this is water. We can come out from here, or we can go from there. We go come out from here. Let's come out from here. This is from here. We're coming a shortcut. It's too big. And we're coming now. Super steady mode. Sometimes good mobile work. I know. But what can we do? Little money, little save. And there you go, we're coming down. We have another path now. Coming down all the way. This is Doncaster. Let's you. Ahmad, look at this view. And there's the sun. I can't pick it up. And this is all the way nature reserve. And this is all the way. Thank you very much, guys. Enjoy.